Okay, before I share my screen. Okay, yeah, definitely I'll do that. So I saw a program. It was an MIT program, and it was to teach everybody how to use no code to build no code tools to build AI agents, right? To build smarter AI workflows. And in my head, I'm like, okay, I don't have $2,800 to give you. I'm sorry. So what did I do? Now, like I said, and I'm still going to say, AI has come so that we can do smarter things, think smarter, and operate smarter, right? So I took the curriculum from the university. I took the curriculum. Then I sent every of the curriculum bits to my favorite AI tool. I use Claude for the most part. So in my head, I gave it all the curriculum structure, everything. I'm like, okay, you know what's going to happen? Build a course from this curriculum. That exact thing that I was supposed to pay $2,800. I have it in my computer right now, and I finished one of the programs. You understand what I'm saying? So, so it just makes it make sense. So